In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your password in OpenArt AI, step by step, in a way that's quick and easy to follow. Whether you forgot your password, want to update it for security, or just need to regain access to your account, this guide will walk you through the full reset process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple AI and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, if you're currently signed in to your OpenArt account, go ahead and log out. This step isn't always required, but it can help make the password reset process clearer and avoid any confusion if you're already inside your account. Once you're signed out, your next step is to go to the official OpenArt Forgot Password page. If you don't have that page open already, you can also click Login in the top right corner and then select Forgot Password. Either method will take you to the same reset flow, so use whichever is easiest for you. After that, you'll see a field where you need to enter the email address linked to your OpenArt account. Type it in carefully because the reset code will be sent to that email inbox. Once your email is entered, click Send Password Reset Code. OpenArt will now generate a verification code and send it to your inbox. Now switch over to your email and look for the message from OpenArt. In many cases, the email arrives within a minute or two, but if you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam, junk, promotions, or updates folders just in case it landed there instead of your main inbox. When you find the email, copy the verification code from the message. Then return to the OpenArt password reset page and paste, or type the code into the code field. Once the code is accepted, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Enter your new password carefully and then type it again in the confirmation field to make sure both entries match exactly. It's a good idea to choose a strong password that you're not already using on another site, and ideally make it something secure that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, confirm the change and your OpenArt password will be updated. From there, you can log back in using your new password and continue using your account as normal. And that's it, you've now successfully changed your password in OpenArt AI. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.